Hey guys, it's Tash here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've only just found me by clicking on this video. So, as you would have seen by the title, today I'm filming a little get ready with me. So I wanted to do my makeup, do my hair, and I thought I would come and film it. So I was gonna get ready and do my hair and makeup, so I thought why not film it and bring you guys a little get ready with me. This is in no way a kind of like makeup tutorial. I just thought it'd be fun to get ready together. Maybe you guys can pop this video on whilst you're also getting ready, or if you're just chilling in the evening. I thought it could be a fun video to bring you guys. I also wanted to answer a couple of questions that you guys left me over my Instagram, so if you aren't following me over there, make sure you are. It's at xoxo. I will leave it here on screen and I always link it in the description. That way you guys can get involved in future Q&As and other videos like this, and I would just love to have you following me over there. But yeah, I haven't done a little chilled get ready with me in a while. I also have some new hair extensions from Lullabellz which I have tested in today's video. I put them in at the end of the video and did my hair with the Lullabellz extensions and gave you guys a little review. This is the finished look. Sneak peek, I am so happy with it. So yeah, if you are excited for this style video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and without further ado, let's get ready together. Okay, so excuse my hair guys, I've just thrown it back in a bunch because I'm going to do my hair last, and also if I'm looking a bit crazy it's because I just did my brows off camera. So I stuck them down with some Got To Be glued. I love this stuff for doing the kind of fluffy bushy brow kind of effect. So I literally just used this, then used a little bit of powder in my eyebrows, and then I've just concealed them a little bit. So yeah, I always feel like doing the brows first is that whole like trust the process kind of thing. It will all come together once we do the face. So that is what I use on my eyebrows. I just thought it would be so much quicker to do them off camera. I also did just prime my face with some of my favourite Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. You guys all need this stuff. And then I'm actually going to go in with some of the e.l.f. Putty Primer. I just like a little bit of this in the areas which might be a little bit more oily. So I'm going to pop a bit of this on, and then I thought we could answer a question. So let's go to the bottom. Somebody said, "Hi girl, I love your style. I want to ask, what did you do / what was your job before Instagram and YouTube?" Now I thought this was really sweet because I love the fact that this girl actually thinks that this is my full-time job, because it most definitely is not yet. However, it is my dream job. So if people can also believe that this is my full-time job, then I feel like if they can believe it for me, I can believe that one day this can become my full-time job. So no, it is not what I do full-time. I actually just do an office job, like a 9-to-5 admin-y kind of job at the moment. That is my full-time job, and then I'm just trying to build up a career in social media really, just because that is my dream job. It definitely can be a full-time job. It sometimes can be very hard to balance both. I do work a lot of hours, but I do it because I love it, and I do it because I'm working towards my dream. So yeah, the dream is to do social media full-time one day, do Instagram and YouTube, but right now I still just kind of need that proper security and income. But as soon as I feel like I have a little bit more security within social media, I will definitely take the plunge and do it full-time, because it is my dream, it's my passion. I absolutely love it. I love creating content. Yeah, what I do is just an office job, literally a standard 9-to-5. I work from home, which is really good. I've been working from home since the beginning of the pandemic, and kind of seems the way forward for most places at the moment. I don't necessarily hate my job, but I do see myself in social media in the future, hopefully, fingers crossed. Also, I've just popped on my favourite trusty foundation. This is the Double Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade Sand. Guys, I've probably raved on about it so much, but if you don't know, get to know, this is just £5. It's a dupe for the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's got coverage, but it also leaves you with like a nice finish. You still feel like glowy, a little bit dewy. I love the formula of this stuff. I wear it every single day. It's unreal. It's £5. Please just try it. To blend that in, I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and just blend away.
Letting go, yeah, it isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking, living the highs and lows.
Let's go in with the next question, because honestly this is just so blendable. It's just so easy to blend. I feel like we can go in with another Q. Next question is, how did you feel when you hit 10k? Congrats, by the way. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Honestly, anyone who wished me congratulations, it just meant so much. Honestly, when I put out my 10k post, the love I had on that picture, so many likes, so many lovely comments, so many people messaging me in the DMs, people sharing it. It's moments like that I just feel so overwhelmed with like the love and support, because I just feel like I do have a group of people that follow me that want to see me do well, want to see me achieve my dreams, genuinely love my content, genuinely want to see me do well, and those people are the people you need to keep close to you. I've had so many people in the past who definitely don't want to see me do well. Most kind of people that want to see you fail, the people that don't want to support you but are there like viewing. I've had a lot of those people, and they're the kind of people that you want to sweep under the carpet and keep close, these ones that genuinely want to see you do well. And yeah, just the love and support I had made it even more of a bigger celebration for me, because hitting 10k is something I've wanted to hit for the longest time. It was the milestone I set for myself when I started my Instagram. I just feel like it's the milestone a lot of creators want to hit when you start like a blogging kind of Instagram. It means you can do the swipe up feature. It's just a good number. It's a lot of people really when you think about it, although in the grand scheme of things it's still not that big. It's still something to celebrate. It is an achievement, and I just felt so proud of myself, because there's been many times where I haven't grown quickly. There's been times when I've lost motivation with my content, or just not felt like I was good enough, and it just made me feel so proud of myself for carrying on with it, believing in myself, and just achieving all that on my own and staying true to myself. So yeah, I felt so grateful, so happy, overwhelmed, just amazed, and yeah, I just feel like now I can't wait to continue to grow and continue to achieve more of my milestones, and yeah, just putting in a lot more hard work, a lot more effort, just carrying on with it. But it was an amazing feeling, and again, a huge thank you to anyone who does support me over my Instagram. It means so much. Now that it's blended, can you already see the eyebrows are like just looking a little less crazy? I just feel like doing the base brings it all together. But I'm going to go in with my trusty contour stick. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade F13. Contour's different for everyone, guys. I feel like everyone puts their contour in different places. It's just whatever suits you. This is just kind of my usual routine. I love to put a little bit on my eyes, though. I feel like everyone should do that. So I'm just going to blend that out again with a little beauty blender really quickly, but I love this stuff.
To be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Okay, I'm going to go in with a Makeup Revolution concealer and answer that question. It says, what do you love most about autumn? Love your YouTube, by the way. Again, thank you so much. I am absolutely loving YouTube at the moment. What do I love most about autumn? Oh, a lot of things, to be honest. I love autumn fashion. That is probably one of my favouriteest things about autumn. I honestly love putting together autumn outfits. So I hope you guys are all loving the autumn inspo over on my Instagram, because I'm just loving it so much. I love coats, knitwear, chunky boots, and then I just love all the autumnal days out. Going to get a pumpkin spice frap, pumpkin picking, cozy nights in, hot chocolates, firework night. Yeah, just literally being cozy, Great British Bake Off, then goes into the lead up to Christmas. It just genuinely is my favourite time of year. Yeah, it's a good time, and there's a lot of things I love. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder, and whilst I powder, let's answer the next question. Next question is, can you recommend a good flawless glowy foundation? Now, as I said, I always recommend to people this Primark one that I am wearing today, because although it is double coverage and you think it's going to be really matte, I still feel like it leaves you with such nice glowy skin. Another one I would recommend if you do like something a little bit more lightweight and maybe a bit more dewy, then I always used to love the Charlotte Tilbury I think it's called Airbrush Foundation. That used to be one of my absolute favourites. Again, it's got quite nice coverage, but it's just a really nice dewy kind of foundation, and it does do what it says on the tin. It does leave your skin looking airbrushed and flawless. That's your two different options. You've got a drugstore one there or a high-end one of my favourites. The next question actually says, how old are you? So I am currently 22, gonna be turning 23 in January. I feel like 23 sounds like I'm getting old, guys. I can't believe it. I honestly still feel like I'm 21. I feel like that was a good age. I feel like it was a big celebration. Doesn't feel that long ago I turned 21, but now I'm nearly turning 23. Like, where has the time gone? I don't know, but I'm happy. I'm living my best life, so I can't really complain. But yeah, I'm 23. Do I look it? Let me know how old you thought I was in the comments. Okay, and next up I'm gonna bronze and blush. Bronzer is from Primark, literally just £2. Blush is L'Oreal Life's a Peach. I'm sure you guys have all heard of it. I feel like everyone knows and loves it. Okay, next question is, what is your fake tan right now? My favourites are the water tans at the moment. I love both the one from Tanologist and also the one from Isle of Paradise. Been using those religiously at the moment. I feel like they just feel a little bit more natural. Like, they've got that nice colour to them, but you don't feel like that really orange tone that's just like a bit obviously fake. I feel like it looks as natural as a fake tan can, so I just really like the colour of it, and I think it's really easy to apply. Doesn't streak, doesn't transfer, doesn't have an awful smell. So yeah, I definitely would recommend one of their water tans. Then someone said, how do you have time to do social media so well and working full time? I run a baking account and it's so hard to keep on top of it. I feel you, girl, honestly. I actually don't know how I do it some days, and I know a lot of people literally find it crazy that I am able to do both, but I just feel like I'm a very organised person, and I literally pride myself on that. Like, I do think that is one of my strong points, and one of my best qualities is definitely being organised. I organise everything, literally just my time, constantly writing to-do lists, finding any spare minute to do what I can. I have a huge passion for this, and I see myself doing it full time in the future. I see where I want this to go, so I want to work so hard for it. So that is why I literally use any of my spare time towards it, and yeah, I just love it. I feel like I need more blush. Does anyone just keep going in with the blush because they love it so much? But yeah, it's hard. Working full time and doing it as well is hard. There are days when it does overwhelm me, and I just get upset because I'm that person that constantly feels like I could be doing more. I'm always seeing like content I do want to create, and when I don't have that extra time to do it, I get so annoyed at myself because I know it's what I'd rather be doing, and sometimes I just can't. But I try and do the most with it. I try and do what I can, and it's all about organising. Keep doing to-do lists. I find them so helpful, but try not to get too stressed with it. If you are getting stressed, take a step back, take a breather, relax yourself, do something that calms you, and then come back to it the next day. But it just takes practice, it does take time, it takes effort. You just have to be really committed to it. Okay, so I actually like to set my face before I put my highlighter on, so I'm just going to use some of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Oh no, I'm running low on that. Gonna have to get a new one. This is my absolute favourite setting spray. If you guys have another one that you love though, let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to try something else. Okay, I'm just going to go in with highlight. The next question is, what is your current favourite trend? Current favourite trend. I would say maybe just like chunky boots. I love the fact that chunky boots are really in again this year. Absolutely loved them last year. I love them for autumn, especially like when you want to have your legs out and have a nice boot on. I think it looks so good. So yeah, I've already picked myself up a couple of pairs of those and been eyeing up a couple more. So I would potentially say that is my favourite trend. But as I said, autumn fashion is my absolute favourite. So there's so much I'm loving at the moment and cannot wait to buy more of and style more of. So yeah, definitely follow my Instagram if you don't already for lots of awesome styling inspo. Okay, so that is my base all done. I'm now just going to go and put on some mascara and some eyelashes, and then I will come back on to do my lips and also to do my hair, but I just thought I would quickly pop off, do my eyelashes, and then we can finish up this look. Okay, I'm back and I'm going to go in with my fave lip combo. At the moment it is my Cash Beauty lip liner in the shade Rust Nude and then the Cash Beauty lipstick in Veil. I also always love to wear Honey Love by MAC, and then I'm just going to pop a clear gloss on. And that is the lips done, just quite a nice glossy nude lip. And now I'm going to go in with my hair. So I have two new Lullabellz hair extensions to try. I have the one piece curly 20-inch. I got both of mine in the shade Harvest Blonde, and then the other one is one of their half up half down curly hair extensions. So let's get into this. I absolutely love the packaging of the Lullabellz items as well. So unreal. I can already tell the quality of the hair feels amazing, and this is what it says on the top of the package. They are washable, pre-styled, pre-clipped. They are also heat resistant of up to 180 degrees, so that's amazing. You can also style them. I also love the fact that Lullabellz help you colour match on the website, so you can use one of your images and they will help you choose your colour. Okay, so I have the one piece curly hair extensions. So it is just a one piece clip-in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to section off my hair, clip them in, and then I'm going to style my hair to match the hair extensions. I feel like styling it after really kind of helps you how to create the curls the same as the hair extensions. So yeah, I'm just going to section off my hair now and then we shall clip them in.
It's getting late, wanna fade away into the ocean.
Okay, so the hair extensions are all clipped in. I just now need to get my natural hair and sort of give it a little bit of a loose curl to match the hair extensions. So I'm going to do that now and then I will show you the finished results. But clipping them in at the back was super easy and they're really easy to hide as well. So yeah, I'm going to get my natural hair, style it, and then I'm going to be looking all glam. Just curling my hair with a Mark Hill curler, by the way, guys.
I don't wanna stay carrying this weight that will never go away. Are we falling deep or are we just pretending? Would you stay with me if the world was ending? Are we meant to be or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Other half. Okay, and there is my finished hair with the Lullabellz 20-inch curly one-piece extension. Oh my god, I'm obsessed just how thick and full does my hair look. I love the style of the curls. Feeling bougie with my extra long hair. Just honestly just makes it look so much thicker and fuller and just like you've had your hair properly done. But just so much easier by clipping in one piece extension. They were so easy to apply. I think the hair looks so natural and so real. Really nice, good quality. Really silky, lovely hair that looks in unreal condition. I love the fact that you can style them, you can use heat on them. I think they blend amazingly. I'm so happy with the shade I chose. I think it matches perfectly. So yeah, all round very impressed with the Lullabellz hair extensions. I cannot wait to wear these out. I'm feeling like when I go out this weekend I might pop them in. But yeah, let me know if you would like to just see a little hair tutorial of me using the half up half down ones as well, because I can definitely include that and bring that to my channel. I can just do a little hair tutorial and review of those ones because I'd love to show you guys those ones as well. But yeah, here is my finished get ready with me look. Everyday glam kind of makeup and a glam hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think of the look, and if you did enjoy this one, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. All your support really does mean so much and really helps my channel. And if you are new here, definitely come subscribe. I would love to have you here. And again, it's a huge thank you from me. I can't wait to see you guys soon with a brand new video.